Hey guys, this is Mike Tang here with Tang Trades, back with another live trading video recap. I'm going to go through the single thought process behind SPY. So right off the open, or actually let me explain the pre-market stuff. Pre-market is all of this in gray here. After the previous rally on the yesterday's big day, which was, just real quick, show you, rallied a ton on the day, and that was after the Fed meeting. So during the pre-market, it kind of traded within this particular range in here. Okay, so I looked at it here right off open. It kind of sold off, broke back up, and came back down. So initially, my trade that I was looking at was the first break below this particular level. It broke and then consolidated around this level, and I was thinking, you know what? It might sell off. So I actually did put an order when it broke down, but it did not fill me. So I just had to sit in my hands on this. I didn't want to chase the trade because I think it could have very easily reversed on me. And as it stands, it went without me. So it came down to this level here. And I was considering taking a short trade here. But the reason I didn't was just because this was the previous market, like that's where it closed at. And I didn't really think, oh, I'm sorry, it was actually here. This is the previous resistance from the pre-market. So I didn't really want to take the trade because I felt like it could bounce there. I didn't feel comfortable taking the trade. Now the setup was there to take it for the break below. I just left it as is. As it stands, it did jump up above, or it bounced off essentially 471, and it bounced up to here, and it started consolidating at this level. Now, this line that I drew here was just like a support resistance line type of thing where it broke below this level, couldn't really hold it, and kind of came back to the level. So I actually was looking for a bounce back down to this level, even though it was giving like a bear flag. And it did break up. So I said, okay, well, this trade is not really confirmed. And the other thing that's kind of bothering me was also that, or the other confirmation to break down below is because I was thinking, oh, maybe it could bounce off the moving average. In this case, it broke above. So I wasn't in the trade either which way, so it didn't really matter. Went back up, touched the moving average there. And I said, okay, if this continues to rally up, I would be interested if it pretty much comes here, consolidates here for a little bit, and then I'd go for the test of the high. What happened, as you clearly see, is it went up. It completely got rejected off of the moving average, came down to this level, and I said, okay, well, we're down below the previous resistance line where it broke out of. So, and it's consolidating two candles here. So I was like, all right, this is good. If it breaks down below this level, I'm going to get in. And that's exactly what I did, right? I broke it, I got in on this candle here. My fill was actually super, super good. So I was pretty happy about that. And it actually got rejected, right? So I was like, all right, well, I'm not going to get out of the trade until it goes up above this particular level here. And my target was going to be pretty much at the low here. So consolidated, broke, kind of consolidate here, and then as soon as it broke down here, got out of the trade, give or take. I know it doesn't update super fast when it comes to ThinkorSwim, but either way, that's kind of what I was thinking about. Now, in hindsight, if I had multiple contracts, what I would do is I would take off one contract at the target and the other one I would put at break even. And the idea behind that is if it continues to rally and break down with the momentum, then that'd be part of the trade. And if it didn't and it got rejected, then I would just be out for break even. So that'd be pretty nice. The reason I did not do that is twofold. One, I did not trade yesterday because I was not here. And so I felt this morning a slightly antsy, not too bad, just a little bit antsy. And so I was like, okay, just because I feel excited, I don't want to push my risk more than than I should because of emotions. So that's one reason. And the other reason was um, on a couple of days ago, I had a stupid mistake where I put in a call instead of a put, and then I took a small loss there too, just because I picked the wrong direction, even though it followed my thesis. So I was annoyed by that. So I really made sure that I was dialed in and making sure that all the things that I needed to do, they were done. I did the right direction, all that good jazz, and it worked out to plan today. So that will be the update on the SPY trade. The Today was a $22 trade, so I pretty much almost erased all of the mistake from the other day. Happy about that. Could have been more. That's fine. Green is green. I'm happy about that. So yeah, that's gonna be the recap. Only one trade today on SPY. I Yeah, there's not really much more else than that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Consider subscribing to see more videos just like this one, and leave a comment below if you think I should change up how I'm presenting these different videos, or any suggestions for any other types of videos. I know I got a suggestion in the other YouTube video about making up a video for how I have my ThinkorSwim set up. I'm planning on doing that. Just been kind of busy during the holiday time, but eventually it will come out. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.